When the heat of the day settles over the mountains, a mysterious sound rises from the forest. A high, endless song, not from the wind, not from the birds, but from tiny creatures called cicadas. They spend years hidden underground, waiting for this short moment to sing. Their voices fill the air, echoing through the hills like nature's hidden symphony. For them, this is a celebration, a final fleeting performance before silence returns. Listen closely, and you'll realize even the smallest beings can make the world resonate with wonder.